Okay, ran up the stairs with this radio just to do a video on it. Radtel RT4D had just arrived from Amazon. It shows 136, 174. Can't read that, it's in Chinese. What do we get in there? We get an instruction manual. Pretty small print, gives out the basic details. Got a USB-C charging cable. So we got our charging cup, USB-C, which goes to the charging cup, wall jack, the power block, our SMA female antenna, the battery, and the radio. That does kind of look like a TYT UV88. Almost like a TYT MD380. But anyways, I'm probably going to use, I have a Comet SMAJ24J or something like that, a female version of the Comet antenna. So anyways, let me get it out. Let's get it unpackaged and put the battery on it. And oh, there's the belt clip. See if it needs a charge or it's ready to allow me to upgrade the firmware. Here's the belt clip. I'm not sure if I'm a fan of this. That's just going to push down, snap into there. It's all plastic. The only thing metal in there is a spring, so you drop that, break that. Good luck in trying to find a replacement. Tried a couple times to get that to go in, didn't want to go in, and then I really got to give it a really big force. Felt like I was going to break it, and then the belt clip kind of snapped in place. So anyway, so let's get the radio unboxed. 7.4 volts at 3,500 milliamps. 25.9 watt hours. Yeah, I don't know. That don't look like a 3,500 milliamp battery to me. Okay, so I let it do its firmware update thing, and now I'm writing my code plug or radio file to the radio. Got a red light on. It says PC programming. Close after complete. There we go. Backing up. Please wait. See what it says. Got to reboot. Radtel. I can change that photo. AA1PR mic. Yeah, that's me. VFO mode. Let's see if we can do that. Got the programming cable stuck in it, so it's probably not going to save us any sounds. Where's the memory channel? Is that where we're at? 146.52? No, that's VFO mode. Come on, camera, focus. Anyways, let me update the photo on this thing, and then we'll unplug it and hear some sounds or whatever is happening. Okay, so I told it to set the channel as a channel alias, which is the name other than the channel number. And I guess writing all that information, all those names, all those frequencies, everything down. Next thing I knew after this, I need to update the address book. Right up over here, address book. That's the CSV file I got off a website. You can get a bunch of different places. Well, this thing is updated in the channel alias. Just notice there's a GPS type symbol on there. I don't think it has a built-in GPS, so I don't know why they make it look like a GPS. Bulges are like my FT5, my ID51A+2. I don't even think the 878's got a bulge for GPS. It's built into the back of the board somewhere, but those little peculiarities of Chinese radio. Man, it does look like a TYT, doesn't it? I've given up on the channel alias, so I'm writing the address book there. Yeah, it's very slow. Almost 300 out of 717,000. Looks like I'm going to be here quite a while. Oh, it doesn't work. It says, notice when using the 25,600 or 256,000 baud rate. Hold down the pound key on the radio and turn the device on. I did that. I held the pound key down, imported my CSV, wrote it, and I kept getting errors, so that's why we're using the slower speed. Yeah, it feels like it's been about 5 or 10 minutes. I should have timed this, but this is going to be a long endeavor. Must go take a nap, make a cup of coffee, go eat your lunch, come back to it all. Okay, so I went to go get a drink, come back. Little pop-up message was flash capacity has reached its IC limit. So apparently all I can import is 12,289 out of the 17,475. So now let's work on the alias, updating that. Okay, so now I'm writing the alias. So I must have had a bad connection last time because look how fast this thing is going this time. I've changed it to channel mode and alias. Zone A, Zone B, and anyways, just hope this works. That's my startup picture.
Channel mode 1.
That's not even worth it.
Here's the Radtel RT4D scanning. But when it stops on something, I haven't figured out how to advance through it. Try to push the up arrow. And if you look, some of the numbers and names are fading out. It's scanning. Yeah, here we go again. Back to Killington 440. Push the up arrow to go past it. It brings him back to... here we go again. There's another one I'm going to lock up on. The way to advance through it.
Okay, so here you can see my radio programming file. For like these repeaters, simplex channels, I don't have anything listed in the alias. So when it's in scan mode, it just shows a blank. So in order to see what they are, you have to put the frequency in there. So I'm going to add like 146 space 400, something like that. Let's try it with the camera on. Maybe, yep, there you go. You can see the picture a little bit better. Picture, my name, my location, and it's the United States. Too bad you're going to get a background image, something like that on there, you know? Maybe in a future update.